Hey, welcome back everyone. Pat here with Advanced RV Centers in Okeechobee, Florida. A really nice Class A diesel pusher here for you today. Here we have a 2013 Tiffin Zephyr. It's a 45LZ model. It's on the Spartan chassis with a 500 Cummins. Excellent machine. One owner with very low miles. Right at 15,000, a little above. Just didn't get used a whole lot. We just went through and put new tires on it, serviced all the fluids and filters on the generator and the engine. We did put new fabric on the awnings. Let me take you around, show you a little bit about it. I'll show you the good, bad, and the ugly. Which ain't a whole lot of ugly. Exterior paint and body condition, no delamination, no clear coat peeling anywhere. There's no rust on this coach. This window here does have a little moisture in it up high. Here you're gonna have your front storage box. A few extra parts in there that we have for the coach. Got your slide out basement tray here. 2 extra dining chairs for the dining table. There's some extra tile back there if you ever had an issue. Automatic leveling, all the jacks are down right now. ACs were replaced a little over a year ago. There's your def tank. Not a whole lot going in there, some ECM related stuff. Got a little scratch here in the center. Probably would buff out. 500 horse Cummins. Again, everything's recently been serviced. Coach is running and driving excellent. Side mounted radiator, no corrosion. What a beauty. All the slide toppers, slide seals, we did end up replacing, I think, 1 or 2 of the slide seals. There's nothing to worry about there. This thing's ready to roll. There's your wet bay. AQUAHOT. Also, let me mention, is this one locked? Anyways, that's your power cord reel in there. And your AQUAHOT. The AQUAHOT has been serviced. Magnum Energy inverter there. Here's the other side of your storage. Oh, and here's your hydraulic reservoir for the HWH leveling. All your house batteries, Optima Blue Tops. Generator access is in here. This have a lot of additional 12-volt circuitry in behind here that's coach related. We're putting that generator out. I want to say it had, that's a ONAN 12.5. It's got 500 hours. Again, it's just been serviced. The mirrors do have some corrosion on the arms. It's spent most of its time outdoors, you can tell, here and there. However, very presentable coach. No cracks in the windshield. Door awning is new. Let's take you inside. '13 Tiffin Zephyr. All the upholstery is perfect, 100%. You can tell it's had very little use. You get your Hadley ride control, automatic leveling, GPS, backup camera, side view cameras. All the woodwork's nice. I haven't seen any cracked tiles anywhere. Here you have a big L-shaped lounge. Does have a coffee table that's in the rear closet at the moment. Fireplace, TV with the televator. Really nice big kitchen. This table has a, it extends to add the 2 additional chairs. Central vac. Dishwashing machine here. Loaded. Whirlpool. Residential fridge with the drawer freezer. Here's your half bath. King size bed here in your master suite. Really, really nice machine. Excited to have it here. It's your rear master bath. Huge. Very nice. Side shower. Beautiful mosaic inlays there. Double sink vanity. Here's your closet with a safe. There's the coffee table I was talking about. Stackable washer and dryer. Well, gives you a quick little preview of what we have to offer here, and I'd like to invite you to come in and check it out. If you're in the market for one, it's going to be priced very competitively. Again, my name's Pat with Advanced RV Centers in Okeechobee, Florida, 561-719-9774. Talk to you soon.